Welcome to the full training of Windows 10 series. This is Zia Maliki from Information Technology. You are watching the sixth part of the full training of Windows 10 series. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to switch between applications using the keyboard shortcut. As I promised in the last video, where I showed you that AltTab shortcut to move between your open applications, I'm gonna show you in this video a new way to do that. A new way to move between your applications using the keyboard shortcuts. In the previous video, I also showed you that the AltTab works quite nicely, just like the old versions of Windows. But if we hold down the Windows key and tap the Tab key, we get the exact same result, but with a different experience. Holding down the Windows key and tapping the Tab key just brings up my application switcher. It's like a dashboard that allows us to open applications or to switch between applications. And I don't have to hold down the Windows key and keep tapping the Tab key, as I would do with the AltTab shortcut key, which I demonstrated to you in the previous tutorial. No, I just do it once, and then I can use my mouse to activate the program or application I would like to go to. Let's do that once more. Holding down the Windows key and tapping the Tab key once brings up my application switcher. I can then simply use my mouse and click on the program that I would like to go to, and it brings up that program for me. I can also use the Windows tab to close an application that I don't want to have running anymore. I would like to finish the tutorial at this point, and in the next video I'm gonna start with a new topic in how we can use the Windows shortcut key to do much more. Why don't you all give that a try? Pause the video, go on over to your keyboard, hold down the Windows key and tap the Tab key once. It will reveal your new application switcher. Play with it and let me know your comments under this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. I will see you guys in the next one.